Are you tired of the daily grind and dreaming of retiring early? Well, you've come to the right place. Because in today's video, I'm going to reveal an incredible method that will not only help you make a swift $500 within 24 hours, but it will also pave the way to financial freedom. Before we dive into the video, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to turn the notifications on either. So without further ado, let's dive into the video. If you're eager to discover the art of making quick cash and unlocking the potential of your Twitter account, then Postwise is your ultimate ticket to success. Postwise is not just an ordinary platform, it's an extraordinary tool that revolutionizes your approach to making money online. Imagine having your own personal assistant dedicated to crafting irresistible tweets on Twitter, providing you with a competitive edge in the digital landscape. Sounds magical, doesn't it? Well, embarking on your Postwise journey is an absolute breeze. All you need to do is visit the link provided in the description or simply follow the link on the screen. Once you're there, you'll be greeted with a seamless sign-up process that will have you up and running in no time. Best part? You don't need to be an AI expert or a social media guru to excel with Postwise. It has been designed with simplicity and user-friendliness in mind, ensuring that anyone, regardless of their skill level, can become a pro in harnessing the power of Twitter. When you arrive at the captivating Postwise website, keep an eye out for the prominent Try It Free button that beckons you to click. With a simple click, you'll be whisked away to a page where you can securely enter your Twitter username and password. Rest assured, Postwise prioritizes your privacy and has implemented state-of-the-art safeguards to protect your valuable information. Once you've entered your Twitter details, it's time to hit that Authorize App button, granting Postwise access to your account. In just a matter of seconds, you'll find yourself back on the Postwise dashboard, ready to dive into a world of limitless possibilities and unlock the true potential of your Twitter presence. From this point forward, the power to create captivating and engaging tweets lies at your fingertips. Whether you're looking to promote your drop shipping business, share valuable insights, or connect with your target audience on a deeper level, Postwise provides you with the tools and AI-driven intelligence to make it happen. The possibilities are endless, and the results can be truly transformative. So what are you waiting for? Don't miss out on this golden opportunity to elevate your online presence and take your Twitter game to new heights. Enroll in Postwise today and let the magic unfold right before your eyes. Now that you're on board with Postwise, it's time to unleash your creativity and craft professional level tweets that will captivate your audience. Trust me, this is where the real magic happens. Once you're on Postwise dashboard, you'll be amazed by the intuitive interface and the plethora of options available to you. Simply choose a topic that you're passionate about, something that resonates with your drop shipping niche, and let Postwise work its magic. But here's the real game changer. Postwise is a learning machine. The more you use it, the smarter it becomes. It analyzes your audience's preferences, engagement patterns, and other valuable data to consistently craft top-notch tweets that instantly capture attention. And that's not all. Postwise empowers you to schedule your tweets in advance so you can plan your content strategically and maintain a consistent posting schedule. This ensures that your tweets reach the right people at the right time, maximizing your chance of engagement and building a loyal community around your brand. Now that you put your creative genius to work with Postwise and crafted some truly remarkable tweets, it's time to unleash them and forge a strong connection with your audience. Trust me, the next step is going to revolutionize your Twitter game like never before. Scheduling is the secret ingredient that will take your content strategy to new heights. It's like having a personal assistant who knows the best times to send out your tweets, ensuring they reach the right people at the right moment. Let's say your Twitter followers are the most active in the morning when they're sipping their coffee and scrolling through their feeds. With Postwise's scheduling feature, you can strategically plan your tweets to hit their timelines precisely during those peak hours. It's like having your own virtual social media manager working tirelessly for you, even when you're busy with other things. Just imagine the peace of mind you'll have knowing that your carefully crafted tweets will be sent out automatically without you having to lift a finger. You can focus on running your business, exploring new opportunities, or simply enjoying some well-deserved downtime, while Postwise takes care of delivering your content to your eager audience. But here's the best part. Postwise not only allows you to schedule tweets for the present, but it also empowers you to plan ahead and schedule tweets for the future. So if you have an exciting product launch, a special promotion, or an important announcement coming up, you can set it up in advance and ensure that your message reaches your followers at the perfect moment. The flexibility and convenience of scheduling with Postwise gives you the freedom to be proactive with your social media strategy. You can focus on creating a bank of engaging tweets, set them up to be published at optimal times, and watch as your Twitter engagement soars. It's like having your very own social media command center at your fingertips, where you can strategically plan your content and make a lasting impression on your audience. So don't let your amazing tweets go unnoticed or buried in the crowded Twitterverse. Take control of your online presence and make every tweet count. With Postwise's scheduling feature, you can make a lasting impact, build meaningful connections, and elevate your brand like never before. Let's maintain the momentum and deliver content that leaves your dropshipping followers craving for more. Trust me, building a robust Twitter following in the dropshipping world revolves around staying active. With Postwise, creating exceptional tweets is a breeze. Diversify your tweets. Experiment with informative articles, inspiring quotes, hilarious memes, or anything else that aligns with your niche and captivates your audience's attention. This will give your feed an extra boost and help you reach a wider audience. So let your creativity run wild and enjoy the process. As your dropshipping Twitter following continues to grow, it's time to explore ways to monetize your content. Let me tell you, affiliate marketing is an absolute game changer. My personal favorite affiliate network is Digistore. They offer a wide range of products in various niches, including dropshipping. Signing up for a Digistore account is a breeze. Once you're in, you can explore their marketplace and find the perfect product that will resonate with your audience. And here's the exciting part, your very own affiliate link. It's like your secret code is an affiliate, and it's what brings in those sweet commissions. Obtaining your affiliate link is super easy. Just visit the product page on Digistore and look for the Promote Now button. Click on it and voila, you'll receive an exclusive link that you can share with your followers. To make it effortless for your followers to purchase the product that you're promoting, consider adding your affiliate link to your Twitter bio. This way, your followers can simply click on the link, access the product, and make a purchase using your special link. And there you have it, folks. A step-by-step guide to making money online through dropshipping with the help of Postwise and affiliate marketing. By following this tutorial diligently and approaching it with the right mindset, you can transform your passion for dropshipping into a lucrative adventure that brings in substantial profits in no time. I sincerely hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please show your support by liking it and subscribing to our channel for more valuable content on making money online. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you can be the first to know about new opportunities to boost your income. As always, feel free to leave a comment with any questions or feedback that you may have. We appreciate your engagement. See you next time. Make sure to check out more videos on the screen.